A lot of creators spend time filming and editing video, but then misplace the place of thumbnail. And it is very, very obvious that this is the reason why many of them are not getting the clicks that they are supposed to get. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to create thumbnails using ChatGPT. And it's going to be a very brief video. I believe that after this video, your click level will change. If you are ready for the action, let's dive right in.
Tube metrics. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.
How I created this type of thumbnail, right? So I'm going to walk you through it very well. It can be created with normal ChatGPT. If you are just logging, at least you can create like 3 to 4 thumbnails in a day. And I know that you wouldn't really be thinking of creating 100 thumbnails in a day. And if you have maybe more accounts with ChatGPT, you can create as much. So very quickly, this is how to create thumbnails using ChatGPT. I've already created a prompt here, so I'm going to basically paste it here. But let me read through the prompt here, and I will just summarize everything. Say, as a YouTube expert, generate a thumbnail that is titled "3 YouTube hacks. Let's make it short. 3 YouTube hack now. Then let's bracket it so that AI will see it differently. So that okay, let me start from the beginning. Say, as a YouTube expert, generate a thumbnail that is titled 3 YouTube hacks. Now is a 16 aspect ratio. Make it 16 aspect ratio. Make it captivating. Change the cloth of the reference image to a more techy outfit. Make him be in a surprise gesture. Make him maintain features. Choose bright colors. So you can see what I just wrote. Let me read it again now that I've edited it. Say, as a YouTube expert, generate a thumbnail that is titled 3 YouTube hack. Now 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Make it very captivating. Change the color of the reference image to a more techy outfit. Make him be in a surprise gesture and maintain feature. Choose bright color. So I think that is how it is. Once you're able to write something like this, you can also if you know how to prompt AI, for sure you can do more of the prompting right by yourself. Just be creative and then you put it, but make sure you put it as a YouTube expert, because when you are like prompting AI, you have to give it what to do. You have to tell it what it is so that it can be able to respond to you in perspective of that occupation, right? So let's wait for it to generate. It might not generate what it generated the first time again, but let us see what it will generate this time around. So it is very, very important. So why is generating this? Let's be talking quickly. If you want to follow yourselves, it's very important that you just go under the comment section and then you just write follow for something like that. You know what to write already. Make sure you just engage yourself on the comment section. Write let's go and then people will keep engaging on your own content. Yes, in case if you are a small YouTuber and you don't know where to start. And then I also have my email. You can see that's come. I have my email that if you want to reach out to me on anything, any question you want to ask about YouTube, you can reach out to me quickly. Yes. So for now, I'm just doing it for the good of the community until other further instructions comes. Yes. So you can see the image, very, very good, very, very shiny, very, very beautiful. Everything looking very good. Can you see it? Yes. So if you can see it, the features is still there. Still resemble the person, and then 3 YouTube hack now. Can you see? So you can now put saved image and it will be saved.
With this method, I believe that it's going to help you in your video editing and video creation. So what am I saying? Make sure that your thumbnail is good. Make sure that your thumbnail is catchy. Very important. Like what I said in my last video, your thumbnail needs to be catchy. Your thumbnail needs to create curiosity, and your thumbnail don't need to create clickbait, right? So it's going to affect your channel. So for now, bye and see you later in my next video. Thank you.
2 metrics. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.